Most AI tools in 2026 promise to do everything, but that's not actually true. If you use AI daily, you already know this. Different tools are better for different things. For example, ChatGPT is great for structured writing and explaining ideas clearly. Claude is better for long-form content. So the reality is, if you want the best results, you're constantly switching between tools. That's exactly the problem Use.AI is trying to solve. Use.AI is an all-in-one AI assistant that gives you access to 25 plus major AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more, all inside a single dashboard. You can switch between models instantly, use voice commands in 25 plus languages, and handle everything from writing to coding to research without ever leaving the platform. But instead of just talking about features, let's actually test it with a real example. Let's say I run a small handmade bead bracelet business. I already have some presence online, but I'm struggling with branding, content, and overall business strategy. So here's what I do. I uploaded a document with all my product details, costs, and required materials. As you can see, this is a pretty basic PDF, just items and products listed. But it is about to change with just one prompt. I simply ask for a complete business and growth plan, including pricing, marketing, and cost breakdown. Now here's where it gets interesting. I run this same prompt on different models. One model, like Gemini, gives me more updated insights and market trends. Another, like DeepSeek, focuses more on technical breakdowns like cost, pricing strategy, and revenue projections. Now both of these models turn my plain and boring document into a detailed, actionable business plan with real-world insight and figure projections. Now, instead of guessing, I can compare both and combine the best parts. It is that easy. Within minutes, I have a detailed business plan, including pricing, expected profit, and growth strategy. Now the next step is content. I once again ask different models for content ideas to grow my brand. Instead of going to different apps, everything is right here. I just pick what I like, refine it, and move forward. For instance, I like this idea that ChatGPT model gave for best friend bracelets. I take that idea and tell the same model to generate a post and captions, and voila! I have a social media post ready in just a few seconds. And all I had to do was upload a picture of my bracelet. Now let's take it a step further. I uploaded an Excel sheet of my last 4 months of sales and asked for a performance report, including average order value, average rating, number of repeat customers for each month, and the highest value order and the highest rating. I chose DeepSeek for this one, since it's known for creating more technical reports and coding. And just like that, I get a complete detailed breakdown of my business performance without spending hours doing manual calculations or struggling with spreadsheets. I can instantly see my average sales, track how much revenue I'm generating over time, and clearly understand my returning customer rate, which helps me measure customer loyalty and retention. On top of that, I also get insights into the highest performing products for each month, so I know exactly what is selling best and what I should focus on more in the future. It even highlights patterns and trends that show what strategies are working effectively and where improvements can be made. Without the help of Use.AI, gathering all of this information, organizing it properly, and turning it into a clear, useful report would take me several hours of effort every single time. And that's when it really clicked for me. Use.AI isn't just another AI tool. It's like having multiple experts working on your business at the same time. One for strategy, one for creativity, one for data. Instead of switching between them, you bring them all together. If you're someone who uses AI regularly for business, for content, or productivity, this kind of setup can genuinely save time and improve your results. But the real question is, once you have access to everything in one place, do you even need separate AI tools anymore?